Hi, this is Garcia, and we're going to make fried rice. For our ingredients, we need spring onions, bacon, carrots, peas, chicken eggs, rice, chicken stock, oil, soy sauce, and a rice cooker, and a frying pan. For my family, we need 5 cups of rice. Now, you must put water up to 5 cups. When it's cooked, the white switch will flick up and say warm. Now, we've got to chop the bacon and wash and chop the vegetables. Okay. We can give this to the chickens. They'd like that. Be careful when you're using sharp knives. Next, you have to peel and chop the carrots. After you've peeled and washed the carrots, you have to cut them. With the spring onions, first you must cut off the hairy bits, the roots. It's nearly finished, and as you can see, we have an old messy rice steamer. There you have the diced bacon, carrots and spring onions. You can put anything into fried rice, and we're using these 3 ingredients. And the eggs. Now we put the oil into the frying pan. Mum said I could put a bit of sesame seed oil in to give it more flavour. Now, you just fry everything. Now we just fry. It's really starting to hurt my eyes. Ah. Gonna cry. Now you put a tablespoon of chicken stock powder and mix. Now the rice is ready. We're going to leave it here until it dries out a bit. Turn the stove down to medium and we add the rice. And now we mix the rice in. Some soy sauce, and it's good because we didn't add any salt. forget to put the peas in. Now, you put the cover on and let it simmer. And now to prepare the egg. First, you crack the 2 eggs into the bowl. Farm fresh eggs from our chickens. Now to beat the eggs with a fork. Into a hot greased frying pan, pour the egg mixture. Flip it so that it cooks on both sides. Now you're going to cut it into slices. Now you put the egg over the top and mix it in. Your finished recipe. Share.